from riding a Harley-Davidson. It's an American icon, a symbol of the open road. But just like any machine, your Harley needs a little TLC to keep it running smoothly. Now, I'm not talking about rebuilding the engine every 1,000 miles. This isn't the Stone Age. I'm talking about simple, regular maintenance that any rider can handle. Trust me, a little preventative care goes a long way. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some essential maintenance tips for new Harley riders. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tips will help you keep your hog on the road and out of the shop. Let's get started. I know, the owner's manual. It's about as exciting as watching paint dry, right? But trust me on this one, folks. This little book is your Bible, your best friend, your roadmap to keeping your Harley happy. It's got all the specific information about your model, the recommended maintenance schedule, the works. Don't just let it gather dust in a drawer, crack it open, get acquainted, and follow those service intervals like it's the gospel. Just like you wouldn't skip your annual checkup, your Harley needs regular oil changes. This is basic stuff, folks. Clean oil keeps the engine running smooth and prevents premature wear. Use the type of oil recommended in your owner's manual, and don't even think about using that cheap stuff. Check your oil level regularly, and change it according to the recommended intervals. Your Harley will thank you for it. Your tires are your only contact with the road, so you better make sure they're in tip-top shape. Check your tire pressure regularly. Underinflated tires can affect handling and wear out faster. And keep an eye on that tread depth. Don't wait until you can see the steel belts before you replace them. Remember, good tires mean a safe and smooth ride. You ever try stopping a runaway train? That's what it's like trying to stop a Harley with bad brakes. Not a good feeling, folks. Check those brake pads regularly and replace them when they get thin. And don't forget about the brake fluid. Over time, it can absorb moisture, which can reduce braking performance. Flush and replace that fluid according to the recommendations in your owner's manual. A little lubrication goes a long way, and that goes for your Harley too. Keep those chains clean and lubed. A rusty chain is a noisy chain, and a noisy chain is a sign of neglect. And don't forget about your cables. Throttle, brake, clutch. Keep them lubed for smooth operation. A dead battery is a surefire way to ruin a perfectly good ride. Keep your battery charged, especially if you're not riding regularly. A trickle charger is your friend here, folks. And while you're at it, give those battery terminals a quick clean. Corrosion can build up over time and prevent a good connection. There's nothing worse than riding at night and realizing your headlight is out. Check your lights regularly. Headlights, brake lights, turn signals, the whole shebang. And take a peek at your wiring harness while you're at it. Look for any wear and tear, loose connections, or exposed wires. Now, I'm not saying you need to detail your Harley every week, but a little soap and water goes a long way. Wash off that road grime and dirt to prevent corrosion. And don't forget about the chrome. A little chrome polish will keep your Harley shining like the day you bought it. Your suspension is what smooths out the bumps and keeps your Harley riding like a dream. Make sure it's properly adjusted for your weight and riding style. And take a look for any leaks or damage to the shocks or forks. A well-maintained suspension means a comfortable and controlled ride. So there you have it, folks. A few simple maintenance tips to keep your Harley-Davidson running like a champ. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. By taking care of your bike, you're not just ensuring its longevity, you're also ensuring your own safety on the road. And that's what it's all about, right? Now get out there, enjoy the ride, and keep the rubber side down. By following these maintenance tips, you'll keep your Harley-Davidson running smoothly and safely for years to come. Ride safe and enjoy the journey.